Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Holy crap, that was the biggest liquidation event in cryptocurrency in the history of mankind. We have a couple $1 billion of liquidations. Where's the right window that I have open here? Here we go. 2.3 billion in 24 hours, literally bigger than the FTX crash, bigger than the C19 crash, just insane. It was pretty scary. Thankfully, I was using Bitunix for leverage trading, and since they have this mixed margin mode, I actually did not get liquidated. Again, the biggest liquidation event. Now, I'm definitely not nowhere near positive. I am extremely down on my trades. Right, Bitcoin I'm down 30%, Sui down 60%, Doge 75%, Aave 69, SPX I'm down freaking 140%. Oh my God, that one hurts big time. Down 20 grand. Very painful lessons were learned here. Again, I'm not a super experienced leverage trader. I've just been kind of messing around with it for a while now. I did a little bit in 2017 and 18 and, did okay then. Haven't done it in a while and started to get back into it recently. So Solana down and XRP down like crazy as well. I made the mistake of opening 5x leverage against my own rule. I told myself always, you gotta use 3x leverage or lower. I got greedy. I opened up bigger trades and now I'm feeling the pain. So that sucks. But thankfully on Bitunix, if you want to sign up, link below, you can hold any of your spot here and basically it allows you to not get liquidated because you can trade against all of your spot. So however, I'm down 34 grand right now, which is super painful. So now there's nothing I can do. I got to work myself out of this hole and hopefully we come back from this. So let's talk about what happened here. We have liquidations in the crypto market, the biggest we've ever seen, quite insane. If we go look at Bitcoin dominance, here we go. Bitcoin dominance just absolutely, wow, look at that wick. I've never seen anything like it. So we went all the way up to 64%. I thought we were just going to maybe tap this one. We kind of tapped it right here. We came back down and then said, just kidding, and just railed down. Oh man, that was insane. The only thing that's green today against Bitcoin is Solana. We're losing it a little bit, but earlier it was over 1%. So the only thing that was green, at least on my list here, was Solana. Wow, that was quite insane. If we look at the others market, I mean, we just lost everything right there. We almost touched this line again. I wonder if I just need to move this line up a little bit here. If I move it up to the bottom of the candle close where I normally put it, did we tap that line? Almost. Man, we almost tapped that line, and we are still using this as support, which is good. This is the others market, so everything besides the top 10. That's a big daily candle right there. What did we end up there? Boom, 22%. This one was 16%. Holy crap, that was a big liquidation. Alts are really low. If we go through some of the big alts here, Ethereum. Oh, let's not do that inside this one. Sorry, let me go to my normal one here. Ethereum, we went down and touched. We perfectly touched this all-time high from way back. Where even was it? Oh, this was the low. 0. Never mind. This was the low. So we tapped these same lows from way back here. Look at that candle. Oh my God. That is quite insane. Let's go to the 12-hour chart here. Wow, look at that. We tapped this exact line that we've 3-tapped, right? At 2100 for 2147. Wow. 2200 basically, just below. Just tapped it, launched back up. We're at least above this 50%. We still have a lot more resistance. I mean, we lost, geez. I mean, we're at the same price as we were in frickin' February of 2024. Holy crap. Wow, Ethereum got manhandled, BNB, big wick, Sui, big wick. Solana did okay. Honestly, Solana from the all-time high only went down 40%. What did some of these other ones do? 55, BNB probably held up okay. Yeah, 36. So BNB definitely is a little bit more stable compared to some of these alts. I think it's because a lot of people trade on Binance and just hold Binance coin on Binance. So they're not like selling it because you can use it for fees and everything. So I think that's probably what's happening. Man, Litecoin is supposed to have an ETF announced, and you could have purchased it for 80 freaking dollars. Wow, you'd be up, 20% already. That one might rip. SPX, I've been super bullish on and has been a really good performer. We just lost a lot there. Hopefully this one comes back a little bit. That'd be nice. And nothing's really, even Trump coin dumped. It was kind of funny because Trump coin was like kind of holding up somewhat in the beginning of that dump, and man, everything is just down. So if you're holding a lot of Bitcoin, you're doing fine. If you're holding a lot of alts, you're feeling the pain right now. And it's almost impossible to know what's going to happen. I have a feeling that maybe this is what's needed to get some rate cuts, to get some quantitative easing eventually starting. Maybe in March, we're going to see, a massive altcoin season. And congratulations if you got some really low buys on some altcoins. If you had cash ready, I was in the middle of closing on my house when this was happening. So I was on the phone with my realtor. The good news is I did get an offer and accept an offer on my house. But the bad news is I was not really prepared for this. I kind of got caught with my pants down. So, yeah, I did not see this happening. Now, there's a bunch of people saying that this was a bunch of market manipulation. I talked about this in the video the other day. Let me pull up Twitter real quick and show you. Yeah, so here we go. One of the biggest liquidation events, greater than FTX and Luna. Tariffs. I don't even know that tariffs was really on it, was really the massive thing here, because I mean, that's ridiculous. And tariffs don't affect cryptocurrency, right? So the whole thing is just kind of weird. I did the post before where I was talking about who was possibly doing this now. And then, here we go. Wintermute to force capitulation. Everyone's talking about this Wintermute company basically selling, right here is people saying that Binance sending hundreds of millions of dollars in cryptos to Wintermute, and then to force the capitulation. Basically, they sell it, the price goes down, and then they buy back in, and they basically just send the crypto back. Now, this is so shady. I know this probably happens in the stock market too, but it's just really shady. I saw some other stuff of let's see if we search Wintermute here. Let's see what we get. Wintermute jail, here we go. So this is the one I saw the Poly Market. Yeah, here we go. Wintermute team in jail in 2025, 97% chance. Dude, so everyone now, this is getting blamed on them. It sounds like they've been doing this for a while and suppressing the price is what a lot of people are saying. Again, I have no idea. I can't, I can't just know what's going on. It's all a guess. This is what people are saying. I even saw someone today post saying they were from Wintermute. I was like, this is the POS that just crashed the market. Oh, I think I just replied to him. Let's go find this one. Yeah, this guy right here. I don't know who this guy is, but oops, I meant to click his post. Here we go. Oh, I've written a few things. This is not intended, blah, blah, blah. So this guy says he's from Wintermute. And anyways, I'll put a link to this below if you want to read it. But basically, it's like a 900 million page, frickin' book that this dude wrote. Yeah. So anyways, maybe it's all this guy's fault or his team or whatever. This guy is the founder and CEO of Wintermute. Am I reading that right? Wow, this guy is the CEO. Okay, so yeah, this is the guy right here in charge of everything, I guess, who just crashed everything into the frickin' ground. So I guess it's really this dude. Is this what is founder and CEO at Wintermute? Wow. Yeah, so that's it. This is the guy that ruined everything for everyone. It sounds like so. Wow, man, this is insane. If those kids could read, they'd be very upset. Yeah, so this is the guy right here who's destroyed everything. At least that's what people are saying. So I have no idea. This was obviously not something that's normal. I mean, think about it. The C19 crash was not as bad as this. And it's just tariffs, which literally have no bearing on cryptocurrency whatsoever. But in other news, it sounds like Trump's group has been purchasing a ridiculous amount of Ethereum constantly. So, maybe we'll get something out of this. Now, another thing that happened, which has not happened in a very long time, is ETH finally touched the the curve here. So the Ethereum logarithmic regression band. This is from ITC Premium that I have. Basically, we have not touched this line since all the way in 2020. So if you guys know Ben Cohen, he's been saying that, the only thing that hasn't happened is Ethereum has not gone home. And there we go. It touched home base. So we almost touched it a couple other times, but this is the first time we got a nice little red reverse dildo right into the band there. You can see we just touched it. So I don't know. If you look at historically, once we get in here, we see very big pumps, right? So here's a big pump, 1,200%. We touched it down here, 1,200%, 13,000%, sorry. So even this one was quite a nice little pump of 250% once we came in here and touched around for a little bit. So I don't know, maybe we'll see some big pump. Maybe this is the catalyst we needed. Maybe this is also the catalyst we needed to get quantitative easing to start on the Fed. Who knows? They don't care too much about crypto, but if we see some similar capitulation here in the market, it's interesting because the stock market only dropped, whatever. What is this even? 2%. So clearly this was orchestrated by this company, I think. I mean, because you don't see that kind of selling from tariffs, because tariffs literally do not affect the crypto market. There's no import taxes, there's no export taxes. It literally does not matter. I know we are coupled to the stock markets, but I mean, a 2% sell-off, and then now we get 90% sell-offs in a lot of altcoins. I mean, I just don't understand. So it's got to be some funny business going on. That's going to be pretty much it for the video. I just want to talk about what's going on. Again, if you want to sign up for Bitunix, use my link below. It's still my favorite leverage trading exchange, hands down, especially after this. I didn't get liquidated. I'm way in the hole now, but at least I can still work myself out without just instantly losing all that money. So, yeah, crazy. I survived. I need one of those little pins that says, I survived the biggest liquidation event in history. What is it? The February 2nd. Oh, it's Groundhog Day too, which is kind of funny. Yeah, crazy. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Good luck out there. Stay safe. It's funny because I posted that video saying, when others are fearful, you should be greedy. And yeah, if you were able to keep your head on straight and get some buy orders in, I think I'm pretty much done for hardcore leverage trading for the foreseeable future. It's just in cryptocurrency, you got too many of these massive, just ridiculous moves out of nowhere. I mean, just bam, 14% for no reason. So yeah, it's just, unfortunately, there's no retail in the game right now. It's just whales and professional traders, and this is what they do. They destroy things for fun. They make a bunch of money, and they ruin everyone's lives. So sucks big time. The market caps are small on these, compared to like big stocks and the S&P 500. So people are easily able to manipulate, the price of these assets. So it's unfortunate. And yeah, Trump with these tariffs, we elected this bro to be the crypto guru, and things have not been going good so far, at least in the last week or two here. And I don't know if this is over. I hope so. I hope we do not retrace back below this again, but we could hit all the way back down here into this 65,000 range. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe out there. Press the like, press the subscribe, leave a comment, and sign up for Bitunix or BTCC below. I'm going to try another exchange. Just got it set up, so look forward to some videos on that. That's it for the video. Have a great day. See you guys.